Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of Amazon's innovative home essentials. Today, we're looking at what we'd confidently call the best Moon Chandelier on the market, the HFUGUD plug-in pendant lighting with cord. A stunning 3D painted moon lamp that brings celestial charm to any kid's room or cozy corner. Let's dive right into what makes this plug-in hanging light so special. First off, it doesn't require hard wiring. That's right, this lamp plugs directly into your wall outlet, making installation effortless. Just unpack it, hang it up, plug it in, and you're set. The included 16.4-foot cord gives you the freedom to drape, swag, or suspend the lamp exactly where you want it. Whether it's over a reading nook, beside the bed, or in a corner that needs some love. The design is where the magic really happens. The moon-shaped lamp features a 3D printed surface with a painted texture that mimics the real moon. At night, it casts a soft, glowing light that's both warm and whimsical. It's ideal for sparking imagination in a child's room, creating ambiance in a yoga space, or adding a dreamy aesthetic to any boho or minimalist decor. It also includes a bulb. Yes, no need to go shopping for a compatible one. The bulb is warm white, giving off a cozy and soothing light that's easy on the eyes. The inline switch on the cord means you can control the lamp without fumbling to unplug it. Just a simple click, and the moon light's either on or off. Let's talk materials and durability. The cord is wrapped for extra strength, and the pendant holder is built from safe, quality materials. It feels sturdy in hand and has enough grip to securely hold the moon lamp in place. The white color of the cord and socket blends easily with most wall and ceiling tones, keeping the focus on the beautiful moon orb itself. It's perfect for renters or anyone who wants to add soft lighting without messing with their ceiling wiring. Kids will absolutely love the moon motif. Teens will appreciate its artsy vibe. And adults can find it useful in reading corners or even cozy cafes or Airbnb spaces that need a touch of personality. If you're planning to gift something unique, the HFUGUD moon lamp makes a fantastic choice. Whether it's for a birthday, a baby shower, or housewarming, it checks all the boxes. Functional, beautiful, easy to set up, and memorable. There is one small heads up. Depending on your location, this item may not ship to every address, so be sure to check Amazon's delivery info during checkout. But overall, this is one of those products that blends aesthetic appeal with functional practicality. It's affordable, plug and play, and genuinely transforms a room the moment you switch it on. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to bring the moon into your space, quite literally, this HFUGUD plug-in moon pendant light is the one to get. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what dreamy decor you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay inspired.